Today we're going to be going over real quick how to install Globus Personal Connect on your home computer, so that way you can download all the data you need to from the Genomics or Bioinformatics groups using Globus. So first thing you want to do is just do a quick Google search for Globus Connect Personal, which should bring you to this nice easy web page where you can choose whichever version you need to. We'll just be going over Windows since that's what I have installed here. You could real quick just click that. Brings you to a nice how-to documentation if you need to follow along and you prefer to read rather than listen to my voice. But if you want to just listen, you can just click the download Globus Connect Personal, which will bring you to the login application. At this point, since we do have a university license here with Rutgers, you can choose Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey. Continue. Bring you to your nice NetID login. Enter your personal information there. And you'll have to do your two-factor authentication. And add it as a device. Now, once you've done that, it will log you in using your single sign-on. From there, you can just click the download button to download a copy of it, of Globus Connect Personal. So I download that, wait for it to finish downloading, and open it. Once it opens, it should come up and say, do you want to allow this to make changes to your device? You hit yes. You say, I want to install it. You want to run it. And then it will ask you to log in. When you log in, you want to give your computer a nice handy name that you'll remember. In this case, I'm just going to call it the home desktop, allow access, enter my information, and then make a collection name. This is the key part because this is the part that will be defining what your endpoint is when you're trying to download that data later. Make sure it's linked to your appropriate owner identity and hit save. Once you've hit save, you'll see this nice little thing pop up that says you have set up your data successfully and the name for it. It says you will now see it running in your taskbar and you can exit your setup. From there, we can now log into app.globus.org, and we can see now that we've done this, we have home desktop that I've put in here now. If I want to now transfer to this, I can now go in here, type in home desktop, brings up everybody's home desktop, but you could also bring in this one, which is the one that we just set up, and you can see all the files I have here. You then can search for your correct various different storage server that you've been sent. And when you're then doing your transfers, you can click and start your transfer. I'm not going to do this right now because that will transfer everything. But that is the quick, easy way to set up and install your Globus Connect.